Hi there, thanks for joining me. Need to talk about the Karcher and the Giraffe wall-mounted pressure washer. If, like me, you're quite invested in the Karcher equipment, I've been running the K3 Pro for a good while, but I've got myself one of these Giraffe wall-mounted ones. It's just cleaner and it looks really nice on the wall. But I'm invested in some of the attachments. I've got things like the Auto Glym power foam adapter there for the Karcher. I've got the big cleaner for the Patio, plus loads of other. And also, I quite like the wand on the Karcher. It's got the power nozzle on it, which is the power nozzle, which is great for cleaning the patios. It's a fantastic nozzle. It's got the spinning retractor end in there. The only thing is, it doesn't fit onto the Giraffe equipment. This has got its own fitment on the end of it. It's different to what Karcher use. The fitments are just different. What can we do? A really, really simple solution. If you go on Amazon, you can get a whole heap of adapters. These are lovely as well. They're coming. I put links in the description for them. And what it will enable us to do is to join the Karcher gun to the Giraffe pressure washer. So in there we get the brass attachment, which is Karcher friendly, and we've got this attachment with the 1/4 inch quick release that will go onto the Giraffe. Screw these two together. We now have Giraffe to Karcher adapter. Comes in, one bit was £8, one bit was £9, I think. So yeah, less than 20 quid anyway for the adapter. But that is a really nice brass bit of kit. It looks super. And that means now, if we get the Karcher gun and we pop it out of the little, press the little button there, pull the hose out, we should be able to pop that straight in. Get it pointing the right way. It's not going to fit. So when that adapter's in there, it's really, really close to the handle. The only thing I can see I can do with this is to grind some of the plastic off of the thread carrier there, and it might just go down enough to get it in. Let's give it a go. Let's see if we can do it. Let's just pop that back out again. Let's screw those two back in again so they look nice and tight, and then we'll know where we've got to sand it down. Okay, so that's in there good and tight. So where the flat face is on that little chamfer there, I've just got to flatten that off. Let's go and get the sander. If you haven't got a sander, you could literally grab this with a pair of pliers or a hammer and chisel and just chisel the plastic off it. But I'm just going to grind that piece off flat there. I have got another solution coming a bit further on in the video if you don't fancy doing this. So there is another solution, don't worry. Okay, can't take much more off of that. That's down, right down to the metal now. So if that don't go in, we're in trouble. We also need to just seal the joints. Just pop that off. If I just get a bit of PTFE tape and just pop that round the thread. This will just stop any leaks between the two surfaces because they are separate pieces. And then just do it up nice and tight. There we go. Oh yes! Oh, it's in. It's in. Superb. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that now. That's gone in beautiful. So there we go. With just a little bit of fettling, we've now managed to get the Karcher gun with the Giraffe attachment on it. Well, the 1/4 drive attachment. And that is in. Not coming undone either because that won't rotate now, so it's definitely not going to come away. Should we try it, see if it works? Let's power it up. Right, let's fire it and see if it works. There we go, the Giraffe pressure washer working the Karcher gun. And now we can swap the attachment for whatever which one we want. So the other option that I've come up with is the Stone Banks gun handle, which comes looking like that with the Giraffe quick release end on it, taking it down to a 1/4 inch so it fits the Giraffe pipe. We then get one of these gizmos, which is the 1/4 to the Karcher end adapter, which will then enable us to fit ends like the Karcher power nozzle straight into there, and then we can attach that up to the Giraffe hose using the quick release connector, and then that will click straight into there, and we're away. We've now got Karcher ends on here, and we can put any Karcher attachment into that nozzle there now. They all fit. So we can do the patio cleaning with the Karcher attachments. They like to keep their brands separated with these little ends so that you have to buy their own equipment. But using this now, we can use the Karcher stuff with the Giraffe power washer. And the other good thing about putting this connector onto the Karcher gun, it swivels without twisting the hose up. Nice. If that one's been of use, if you've been struggling to try and connect your stuff together, I'll pop links in the description for the nozzle, the hose, the adapters and everything. And yeah, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, chuck me some comments in, always love your comments. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.